Regardless of your niche, industry, or sector, email is one of the most powerful marketing channels available to today's business owners, offering an ROI of $44 for every dollar spent. And when it comes to squeezing the most juice from your email marketing efforts, embracing the power of drip campaigns is essential.
Now, this video comes from a request from Hiten Patel, dropping a comment in one of our videos. You can always do the same below with stuff that you want to know, but let's take a deep dive into how you can harness the power of email marketing automation to build campaigns that get real results. So, what is a drip campaign? So also called autoresponders, lifecycle, or automated emails. Basically, it's just a sequence of emails that you send to a subscriber based on either a time schedule or specific action of a user, like whether or not they open the previous email. If someone just subscribed to your newsletter, for example, a drip campaign could send a welcome email right away, and 2 days later, an email that has links to your most popular blog posts, for example. Or if a potential customer has been visiting your sales funnel page but hasn't yet pulled the trigger, a drip campaign could send them an email with 5 reasons to make the purchase.
Let's talk about how to create an effective campaign. And good news, I have 4 key elements of any successful drip campaign. Starting with choose your platform. Email automation tools can make the difference between losing out on potential profits and closing leads quicker than you thought possible. A few recommendations are ConvertKit, Infusionsoft by Keap, Drip, Marketo. Oh, I've spent hours, maybe years in Marketo. And last but not least, GoDaddy email marketing. So consider your email marketing budget, goals, and campaign requirements, and you'll find a tool that's just right for you and your business.
Now, you'll really want to decide on your goals and strategy early. So what is the end result you'd like to achieve with your campaign? Each one is unique, but there are a few typical goals you might want to pursue, such as orienting new users via a welcome sequence of emails, attracting new subscribers and customers, an automated sales funnel, developing dedicated landing pages for your email marketing campaigns. I mean, which one of these objectives speaks to you? Chances are you'll pick more than one.
Next up, plan and draft your email chain. Having a roadmap can help anchor your decisions, just as it does when you're setting goals or picking your automation software. And it's possible to get a little overwhelmed at this point, given how complex this can be. So I recommend start with a piece of paper or whatever writing medium you prefer. I use iPhone notes for like everything. And then keep your goal and strategy at the top. Decide on an initial number of emails that you'll send and their frequency, like maybe once every 2 days, once a month.
Then list general email topics without worrying about picking a specific headline yet. I mean, just a rough idea will do for now. And here you should think about the reader's journey as they move through the emails in a logical sense. Drill down into your email topics to make your subject matter meet the needs, interests, and pain points of your specific audience. And then refine your topics and frequency, relating back to your goals and strategy as needed.
And now optimize your content for conversions. Quality content is vital for any business, regardless of your specific niche. And by offering personable, engaging, value-driven content, you can potentially build a loyal, dedicated customer base that will be more willing to open your emails and their wallets. Not to mention, inspiring content will provide you with brand authority. All these elements contribute to the real aim of any email marketing campaign, increasing your click-through rates and sales revenue.
Now, fortunately, this doesn't have to be complicated either. Just focus on a couple key aspects when crafting your email copy. So ensure your subject lines are keyword and click-through optimized. Don't over-promote your products no one wants to be sold to. Optimize your delivery times. So think about the time and day your audience will typically check their email. Maybe around lunchtime, right after work, maybe before work, on their random break. And then make sure your design is mobile friendly, since most of us are on the go. Check your email on the go too. Clear yet concise copy focuses on your reader's personal needs will likely be enough to meet your goals. So when you're crafting your copy, think of your audience and use your words wisely.
Remember, your email marketing campaigns are only as effective as the content within them. So understanding your audience and their needs is paramount. All right, that's a wrap, but your journey doesn't have to end here. We have over 250 videos for you to watch.
So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate you for watching. This is The Journey.